Hey everyone, in this video we're going to test out the Bissell Proheat Pet Advanced Deep Cleaning System. If you want to see the video where I unbox this and set it up, I will link that in the card above here. But right now we're going to attempt to try this thing out. I filled it up with water and the necessary fluids. So we're going to come over here to a stain and make it do its magic. So my children were playing with my wife's lipstick or something like that, and they got this red stain on the carpet. So we're going to go ahead, and it's been there for about a week, but we're going to go ahead and try the Bissell out on this stain and see what we have. Then I have this set up on floor cleaning over there. If I were to turn this green switch right here that way, then it would be on tools. So we'll try with the floor cleaning first, and let's fire this guy up. I'm going to stop this for a second to just say that the smell of the stuff that goes in there is definitely nice. You may have noticed or may not have, but as I was pulling the trigger on this, so there's a little red circle right here. And essentially what that thing does is as you're spraying, the liquid goes through there and it gives you a circular motion, so you can kind of see the little red thing that's in here spins around, so you can see that fluid's going through that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just clean this stain for a little bit and go back and forth a little bit so you can see when I come back how it turned out. All right, after about a minute or so, I turned around and started going from the opposite direction. So camera stayed exactly where it was, and just went before with the back of it going this way. Now it's in the opposite direction. You'll probably see the stain was here, and there's still some signs of it for sure. Put my foot right there, and there's definitely some pinkish red remaining there. Now I'm going to switch from so essentially here, I just switched this switch from soap to water only. And now I'm just going to go back and forth on that. All right, so I'd say it did a pretty good job. I still see a little bit of pink in here for sure, right by my foot. I would say that it definitely needs a little bit more cleaning, so I'll do that. But it might be a good time to just test out the stain tool. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the tool off of the back here. And then when I'm doing that, what I'm going to have to do on the right-hand side of the machine, there's a switch that goes from floor cleaning to tools. And that's what's going to activate this guy right here. So after another minute or so, I would say this is pretty close to, done. I would say I got a little bit more soap than I would have liked. Here's the one spot where there still is a little bit of pink left in there, but I mean, considering what it was before, it definitely did a pretty good job. Like I said, there's still a little bit more soap than I'd like in there, so I'm going to go ahead and run the floor cleaning again. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and if this was helpful to you, definitely give a thumbs up. Comment below, do you have this Bissell? Do you have a similar one? Are you looking to get one? Do you have another brand that you like? Let me know what your thoughts are. Thanks so much. Consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.